The one thing you must do before closing. If you are a buyer nearing the end of your home buying process, you are probably starting to get excited about finally getting your keys to your new home. But first, there is a crucial step and one last thing you must do, your final walkthrough before closing. Hi, I am Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Guy Realty Group. As a buyer, the final walkthrough is your last chance before you take ownership to make sure the home is in the condition it was in when you made the offer, and if any repairs have been negotiated, they are completed. Ideally, this walkthrough should be completed 5 days before close of escrow. You will need to be present along with your agent. You will walk the property both exterior and interior with your agent to be sure any requested repairs are completed and no new maintenance issues have come up. You will also need to check if all agreed items that were included in the sale are still in place in the home. The last thing you want to see is a refrigerator that was no longer there. You will also need to check that all systems and appliances are functioning correctly. Keep in mind this is not another home inspection. It is the time to make sure all the things that have been negotiated are present and the home reflects the condition at the time of your offer. This walkthrough should not take longer than 30 minutes and the seller should not be present. If you do encounter any issues, your agent will need to communicate with the listing agent to get these issues resolved before the loan funds and the property closes. Most of the time, problems emerging through final walkthrough are rare, but do happen occasionally. Bottom line, as a buyer, you want to be sure the terms of agreement are satisfied before you take possession. Working with knowledgeable agents can help you navigate this part of the transaction and will benefit you down the road with your investment. If you are a buyer looking to purchase, please reach out to my team and I so we can give you an in-depth analysis on inventory pricing and strategy. I am Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Guy Realty Group, giving you your perfect home made in LA.